What?
I found my old Black & Decker drilling machine. This is from the 80s or the 90s something, so it's very old.
The Black & Decker corded hammer drill BD154R still sells on eBay.
But anyhow, I wanted to see what the collar size was here. And as far as I can tell, it's roughly 43 millimeters. And then, what's it called in English? It's a drill with a push function.
The Bosch Green PBH 240RE is discontinued.
So you drill in concrete and that kind of stuff. So this is a Bosch machine, and I measured the collar size on this too, and it also seems to be 43 millimeters. So that's interesting for my option for a drill stand. Here's Wabeco drilling milling stand BF1240 that I saw on YouTube, folk mentioning on YouTube. And price is good, 129 euros, 130 euros. And the collar here, the mounting, the machine support is for Euronorm 43 millimeters. So this actually enables me to mount both my drills. That's interesting. The throat sizes for this drilling milling stand seems to go from 175 millimeters all the way up to 325. There seems to be no stand with deeper throat than 325 millimeters. So I will go for this one, where I get also a little bit a vise that is a little bit larger than this one, and then the price is 170 euros. So let's go for this one. Let's see what's happens here. Try to check out as a guest. So I fill this out and come back. Delivery to my address here in Sweden from Germany is 24 euros. So that's not bad. Go for that. I use PayPal. Log in. I pay with my Visa card, and it's almost 200 euros. I think that's okay. I read the terms and conditions, and I placed the order. Oh, I thought I did that. Okay, I have to agree both of these. Okay. What? And here we are. Order complete. Now I just have to wait for it. Oh, it's always nice to buy nice stuff when you have high expectations. So let's hope they get fulfilled in this case. Let's run them and see that they work. Here's my old Black & Decker. Oh, that wonderful smell of brushes. It's ozone in the air. Let's try my Bosch then. Yay, they both work. So, and now I ordered the drill stand, so when it comes I can put this to the test and see if I can upgrade my drilling precision here in my indoor shed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.